Ready to launch a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Let's dive into the world of faceless videos powered by AI. First, we need a script. Use a tool like ChatGPT to generate engaging content. Simply provide a topic and specify the desired tone and length. Next up, Voiceovers. Head over to Murf.ai or a similar AI voice generator. Paste your script, choose a voice that fits your channel's vibe, and generate your audio. Now for the visuals, Pictory.ai is a fantastic option. Upload your script, and it'll automatically create a video using stock footage and images that match your text. Customize your video by selecting different visuals, adding text overlays, and including background music to enhance the viewer experience. Once you're satisfied, export your video in the desired resolution and format. Most platforms, including YouTube, support MP4. Finally, upload your video to YouTube. Add a catchy title, a detailed description with relevant keywords, and choose an engaging thumbnail. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags like #FacelessYouTube and #AI videos.